Chapter 6. You are not a lottery ticket. The most continuous question in business is whether success comes from luck or skill. If we talk about some successful businessmen like Warren Buffett, he told he is a member of Lucky Sperm Club and the winner of Ovarial Lottery. Jeff Bezos also said incredible planetary alignment. Bill Gates said half luck, half good time, and the rest of brain. But it's a true success it depends on luck. Now, hundreds of people have started their multi-million dollar company, but few like Steve Jobs, Jack Dorsey, and Elon Musk have created several multi-billion dollar company. If success will mostly depend on luck, then this kind of serial entrepreneur probably would exist. In 2013, Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter and Square, tweeted to his 2 million followers, "Success is never accidental." And yes, it's true. But prior generation believe in making their own luck by working hard. There is a two kind of people. First is optimistic and second is pessimistic. Optimistic people can make the world better. In the pessimistic is the reverse of optimistic. Like many people don't go to law school, bright college graduate, and directly they went to Wall Street because they have no real plan for their career. And they when go to the Wall Street, they randomly put their money and invest in everywhere. But in real world, the founder don't know what to do with money, so they give to the large bank. Banker don't know what to do with it, so they diversify money into portfolio of institutional investor. Institutional investor don't know what to do with it, so they diversify by stock. Company try to increase their share price by generating free cash flow. If they do, they issue dividend or buy back shares and the cycle is gone. That's how financial market work. Now in this chapter, Peter Thiel give us a two startup example like biotech startup and software startup. In biotech startup, it's an uncontrollable organism. Why biotech uncontrollable? Because in biotech, we have to work on our body and our body is predefined functionality. So it's a difficult to work on predefined. In the second, software startup, it's a new and we can build any software by what we want. Secondly, regulation. If you work on biotech startup, you have some licenses and it's a complex. But in software startup, you don't need any licenses or anything else. Just put your logic and work on that and build a software. If we compare with cost, then if you want to build one drug, its a cost may be greater than $1 billion, but its startup is a cheap. So if you see the Elon Musk, what he do? He basically built a software and then sell the software. When it's a sell the software, he get some main capitalization and then he used this capitalization to build his large company like SpaceX and Tesla. How we earn from software startup and build a like large capitalized company. Now, if iteration without a bold plan, you won't take you from 0 to 1. So bold plan is the main important from your company. And the main important is designing. Every great entrepreneur is first and foremost a designer. If you saw that Steve Jobs, he designed the Apple's product like iPod, iPhone, MacBook and so on. So designing of product is a main important thing. And the last but not least, by listening to focus group feedback or copying other success just to make your own product and make your own success part. Always remember one thing, you are not a lottery ticket. Just work on it and grab that thing. Thank you.